If you have ever thought I can't start making videos because I don't have a professional camera or tripod, this video will change your mind. Let's get started. First things first, I shoot everything on my Android phone. No DSLR, no ring light, nothing high end. For me, sunlight is my best friend. Whenever I can, I take my drawings outside to my backyard and place them on the grass. And here is my some pictures that I clicked on sunlight. Sometimes I even capture random drawing process shots during the day. Because my phone storage is very low, I don't film every single detail. Instead, I focus on the main key steps. Moments that will actually make the video engaging for you. And now here's the fun part. When I started, I didn't even have a tripod. I used a board tape roll to hold my phone. Later, I upgraded to a budget-friendly selfie stick tripod. Sometimes you just have to make it work.
No matter what, which material you are using for your content.
And the best part is you don't need to spend hours editing. Even basic tools like cropping, adjusting brightness, and adding music to your video look professional. And some transitions, that's my full process. Shooting in sunlight, making the most out of my old phone, and editing with a free app in short. No excuses, no waiting for the perfect setup. If you have ever holding back from starting your own channel or posting your art, remember it's not about the gear, it's about the creativity. Start with what you have, make the best out of it, and improve step by step. About night shooting, it's pretty rare for me. On the day when I do have to record at night, I just use my study lamp. It's nothing fancy, just enough to light up my desk so the details are visible. I actually prefer sunlight, but it's nice to have a backup. Little behind the scenes story when I first started making videos in 2024. If you ever been waiting to start your own art channel or post your work online, I hope this inspires you.
You can see in the background my recent Instagram feed photos are all taken in proper sunlight. And you can also notice how much older ones look compared to them. Like I mentioned earlier, sunlight is so important when it comes to taking pictures, especially for showcasing art. At the end of the day, it's about combining creativity with presentation. The more effort you put into both your art and how you show it online, the more chances you have to reach people who truly appreciate it. While creating art is my passion, I have also learned that sharing it online is a completely different skill. Honestly, it's so difficult to grow on Instagram if you are just posting plain art pictures. There are millions of artworks out there, so if your photos aren't high quality, they simply get lost. That's why I started paying more attention to lighting, background, and camera quality. Even the most beautiful painting can look dull if the picture is dark or blurry, and sadly people will scroll right past it. And I also love working with different surfaces, like sometimes it's canvas, sometimes it's tote bag, and sometimes even just scrap pieces of paper where I try new designs.
So if you are watching this and thinking I can't start because I don't have the right art materials, just remember, neither did I, and here we are. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know in the comments how you shoot your own art videos. I'd love to learn your tricks too. Until next time, keep creating, keep shining, and I'll see you soon. Bye!